Hello everybody. Let's learn today how to add mobile frame in your video in Inshot app in just few steps. So just download Inshot app, tap on the video, tap on new, select a mobile frame template. You can download it from Google. Expand the video. Now you need to go to PIP. You can select the ratio before going to the PIP. Tap on PIP. Select the video which you want to play in the mobile frame and adjust it accordingly. Once the screen is adjusted, you can see the volume is there. If you want to increase the volume, you can go to PIP again, tap on the volume, slow down the volume, and you can add any of your favorite music in Inshot app. And you are good to go. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.